Hi, I'm Meredith, and I have received another box of goodies from my sponsor, and it is supposed to be a cat carrier, and you'll be able to use it to carry a cat or any small little items that you may have. It's kind of like got a shoulder strap, so you can kind of, for ladies, you can carry it like a purse. And let's see what this is. Product will be very useful for pet owners that want to kind of take their cats with them and just not have them running around, because they do run off at times. This product is gray and has some interlocking mechanisms here, and you just push them back and it unlocks them. Oh, that's cute. It's got a little, it's got a little picture of a little animal on there. And, oh, that's marvelous. I'm not sure what to do with that part, but you can put your kitty cat right here, or a small pet. It could be either, looks like to me. And they could sit right in this pouch, and you can carry them along with you. You probably carry it this way as well if it's a small enough animal. So that way you could have a better grip on the bag. And I like the fabric. The fabric's soft. It's like a terry cloth or a jersey material. The inside's pretty. It's got some polka dots, real pretty colors. I'm not sure if your animal will like it, but I know the owners will. And it's got a little emblem of a little animal on the side. And that should fit an animal in there really nicely, because there's a lot of room in the pouch.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh my God, they're gonna love it.
Oh, she likes it. It fits her perfect. Yes, it does. I love this product. I think you will too. Yeah. You're my baby. Yes, you are. Good boy.